Rich nigga shit. Part of my mama house. Fuck my mama house up. Mama, I love you. Mama, I love you. Ooh, mama, I love you. Ooh, mama, look at me. I'm fucking house up, mama. You come home, you gonna see a lot of shit in the living room, mama. You know, it's okay. It's okay. Hey, a little bit of bitch. You know what I'm saying? You know, ho. I'm a young rich black African American. You horse. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm big in the soup. In the soup important hoe. I'm white folks important hoe. Whore. You know what I'm saying? That's right. I ain't never want to spell it be. See what I'm saying? Cause I never went spelling bee, dog, because I know. But listen, I kept the racks, though. And I kept the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, I said, man, I know my man, you know, hoe, you know, whore, you know what I'm saying? But richest nigga doing this shit, you little bitches. You know what I'm saying? Go get this nigga, go get you some money, little hoe. Shut up. You worry about me? Bitch, you worry about me? I'm telling you, you worry about me, whore? I'm on me, huh? Who? You about me? How you need to be about yourself? You know what I'm saying? Gang, yeah. You about yourself, whore? You know gang. You little bitches, you know what I'm saying? I shout out to everybody they're going through the struggle, man. Don't give up, you know what I'm saying? You know, they told me they gonna tell you can't make it. You can't do shit. You ain't gonna be shit, you know what I'm saying? They told me the same shit. And look at me now, nigga, myself multi-millionaire, nigga. You know what I'm saying?